What's going on? What's going on?
That's what I will. Thanks, Zion Bell. And I'm counting. But what to be?
I love when they sound so. I'm proud of my sound. Oh. Yo. Listen, people. Listen up, big sound exercise company. Yo, Mega. Easy, yo. Solution, and tell them something like this to me. When they lose, they can't walk with their head up in the sky out of dance. They have to wait down their head and walk home. They have to head down their head and walk home. Lucian, I tell them. You can't me. Over into the valley. I find me a thing. Watch out now. What's the style? What's the style? You see that sound here? Listen.
I love this champion sound and I want it.
Listen. This is Richie Spice. You know, long way of Vice, Richie Spice. Some boy just a cut. Some artists.
You found the vice on
Cut them right now. Beg them. What?
I love this champion sound and I want it. Tell you this, I'm like
That's all everybody me.
I love this sound and I tell no lie.
That's all they make clumsy bars. That's all they Level. Can I play the late Granny Late Sugar Miner and this rhythm? Can I play? All who say Sugar Miner say sugar. Say sugar.
You 45,
Yeah.
sound you play one.
Yeah.
Sound
Back the way.